Let's make this classic butter cake at home. If you want the full written recipe, you can find them on my recipe website islandsmile.org. First, we need to line a baking pan. To do this, lay the pan upside down, place the baking paper on top of the pan, and measure how much paper you will need to line the inside of the pan. Allow extra paper on all four sides. Fold the paper firmly along the edges of the pan to clearly mark the seams. Cut straight slits at all four corners of the baking paper. This will help you to neatly fold the corners inside the pan. Use a little butter to stick the baking paper to the pan and set aside. Sift the flour and baking powder. Preheat the oven at 170 Celsius degrees. Now let's begin with the cake batter. Add room temperature butter to a large bowl and soften it with a handheld mixer. Add the granulated sugar to the butter and beat over medium speed until the mixture turns pale and fluffy. This would result in a soft crumb. Start adding one egg at a time and mixing for a few seconds. Add vanilla before adding the last egg to the batter and mix at low speed for 60 seconds in one direction. As you beat the eggs into the batter, if you notice the mixture curdling, this is normal. Just continue to the next step and the batter will stabilize as you add flour. Next, add flour and milk in 3 stages. Mix the flour into the batter for 60 seconds at low speed. Only use the hand mixer until well incorporated. Then use a spatula to gently fold the batter to remove any pockets of flour. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl as well. Once the cake batter is ready, transfer it to the baking pan. Smooth and level the cake batter. Make sure to spread the batter evenly to all corners. Tap the pan 3 or 4 times on the counter to force the air bubbles out. Bake the cake at 170 Celsius degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Once the cake is done, remove from the oven. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes. Then invert the cake onto a wire rack to completely cool. Once the cake is cool, turn the cake over, then slice into required size. And this is your classic butter cake made right at home. For the full written recipe and tips on how to bake this cake, press the link in the comment section.